SYZ Machine Co Ltd is a dynamic and customer-focused machining parts, the related manufacturing factory located in Ningbo, Zhejiang Province, delivering valued solutions to global market. Through years' development, the related factory has engaged in manufacturing, research, development, and sales of CNC machining parts, fabricating parts, welding parts, bending parts, stamping parts, and laser cutting parts. Company located in Shanghai, China, with convenient transportation access, dedicated to thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements to ensure customers 100% satisfaction. In recent years, factory has introduced many advanced equipment, including CNC machines, milling machines, turning machines, hydraulic pressure machines, drilling machines, tapping machines, inspection equipment. In addition, we also have a variety of other equipment that helps us to provide laser cutting, welding, bending, and stamping services. The machining products we made for customers around the world are widely used in race car, street performance, lawn and garden, construction, fitness, agriculture, food and packaging equipment, as well as several other industrial markets. We could handle a variety of materials precisely according to customers' drawings or samples. OEM and ODM orders are welcomed. Competitive price, free sample, on-time delivery, 24/7 customer service, headache-free shipping are what customers will get from SYZ. We will make your idea into concrete products. Follow our website. You can expect more from SYZ, your custom machining parts specialist.